In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful financial strategies that can transform your money game. Stick around, because number 3 is a mindset shift that wealthy people swear by. The 24-hour rule for smart spending. Ever felt the urge to buy something impulsively, only to regret it later? That's your emotions controlling your wallet. Try the 24-hour rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait a full day. This simple trick helps you spend wisely and avoid buyer's remorse. Practical wisdom at its finest. 2. The 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. Want a budget that actually works? The 50-30-20 rule is your answer. 50% for needs like rent, food and bills. 30% for wants, fun stuff like dining out and entertainment. 20% for savings and investments. Your future wealth builder. This method keeps your finances balanced, stress-free, and growing. The power of paying yourself first. Here's a millionaire mindset shift. Treat savings like a bill. Before paying rent, before splurging on coffee, pay yourself first. Automate your savings so a percentage of your income goes straight into a high-yield savings or investment account. If you never see it, you won't miss it. The 2-account trick for discipline. Struggle with overspending. Split your money into 2 bank accounts. One for fixed expenses, bills, rent and essentials. One for variable spending, groceries, shopping, fun. This way, you'll never accidentally spend rent money on a weekend getaway. 5. Think in decades, not days. Short-term thinking keeps people broke. Instead of focusing on next week's paycheck, ask yourself, how will this decision impact me in 10 years? Long-term thinking helps you invest wisely, avoid debt traps, and build real wealth. Practical wisdom isn't about being rich today. It's about making smart choices that secure your future. So, which of these strategies will you start using today? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-smart content. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.